can't erase the memory of those magic moments filled with love. Oh, it's like the Wizard of Oz out there at the moment. The wind's coming in. My word! The tide of the line for hours and hours. The Saturday dance, I got up the nerve to send you some flowers. Magic moments we've been sharing. Magic moments when two hearts are caring. Time can erase the memory of these magic moments filled with love. Oh, you've got a choir going here. It's marvellous. That's what I like to see. Yes, we're going to be performing the show. We're going to be performing a show for you today called Hooray for Holidays. It's a show, but it's a sing-along show. Me, I'm in the show. Yes. I'm just warming up.
I let them start.
No, I'm in the show, honestly. we came and did a show for you last year as well. Yes. Oh, that's all right then. That's good. That's good. So we're going to have a lovely show for you today. Lots of songs. Oh, yes. Yes. For a living, yes. No. We worked in theatres for years. And then we decided, because a lot of people can't get to the theatre, it's too far away, so we thought we'd bring it with us. So we bring the theatre to you instead. Well, it's our pleasure. Oh. Don't worry about that. Well, two halves together make a whole, don't they? So you'll be fine. Oh, I see. I do that too. Oh. Yes. And you'll be able to hear it. You'll hear some of it, so that's good. Marvellous. Yes. She said she saw us last year. That's right. Yep. Excellent. Excellent.